Cooper. I'm 18 and I'm from Fountain Hills, Arizona.
You can just dive right into it whenever you're ready.
You think I need to know so bad what you've been up to? Please, you're slipping, that's all. Should check your phone, busy. I bet you have a dozen calls by now. Sorry.
It's okay.
You think I need to know so bad what you've been up to? Kind of the right attitude, or?
Like you're pissed off at him, like, dude, are you serious? Are you kidding me? You know,
Know so bad what you've been up to? Please. You think I need to know so bad what you've been up to?
that's it. Go ahead.
Hi, I'm Allison Boyle. I'm 20 years old, and I'm from Phoenix, Arizona. You think I need to know so bad what you've been up to? Please. Your slip motherfucker knows you're Black Impala.
My name is Kyle Carroll.
All right, where you from?
Chicago.
How old are you?
20. You was scared, out of your head. I ain't got no beef with Wayne, he ain't got no beef with me. Never will it be TT.
I think you got the spot.
Jeremy Wood,
How old are you?
20,
Where you from?
Petersburg, Virginia.
Action.
Not you, motherfucker, the other you.
You
Alright,
feeling like you.
and here you are.
Hi, I'm Brianna Frazier. I'm 20 years old and I'm from Arizona. Okay,
I'm sorry.
perfect. So should I just go from just the highlighted, all the
Yes,
highlighted? Okay, please. You're slipping, that's all. Motherfucker knows you're Black Impala. Should check your phone, busy. Probably have a dozen calls by now. That's right, putting in work to save your ass.
Where you from?
My name is Alyssa Marie Nielsen. I am from Chandler, Arizona, and I'm 20. I'm going to be 21 on Wednesdays.
Step on the blue line for me, please. Thank you.
This is the angry scene, yes. I'm losing it, sorry. Motherfucker knows you're Black Impala!
You hood now, huh?
That's right! Putting in work to save your sorry ass!
Put a start at it.
And in conclusion, may I remind you that it does not say RSVP on the Statue of Liberty.